this is Somya and you're watching the Glow Girl Tales. Today I'm going to share you how I use chia seeds in my diet and the recipes that helps me incorporate chia seeds, because chia seeds are really very healthy for your body, but most of us don't know how to incorporate that to our diet. So I'll give you certain recipes that can actually help you in getting better benefits with respect to chia seeds, incorporating it into our diet very easily. So let's quickly get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any updates. Let's go. A very amazing way to add this into your diet is to blend it into a smoothie and then have it in your breakfast. For this I am just blending one banana, then adding good amount of chia seeds. I have soaked them overnight, then added some dry fruits, giving it a good protein value. I am a vegetarian, so yes, I need my sources from dry fruits, from bananas. I've added almond milk to it and then blend this all together. This smoothie is one of a kind, really tasty, helps me get enough fiber. You can also add protein powder to this to add more protein value. However, this is just perfect blend of all the balanced nutrition, protein, carbs, fats, and give you enough nutrition value, and is complete meal, gives you about 300 to 350 calories. Now, quickest way to add chia seeds in your diet is to have it as a chia water as the first thing in the morning itself. So I just soaked few of the chia seeds and then add some lemon to it, add good amount of ajwain that I have roasted, and then add lukewarm water to this. This gives me perfect digestion detox drink to have it in the morning itself. Now, the third amazing way to add chia seeds in your diet is to have it in lunch and make a chia yogurt out of it. Now, we all know that prebiotics and probiotics are very important to be added in your lunch so that you boost healthy gut bacteria. Now, this is the best way to incorporate chia seeds in your chia yogurt. It makes it very tasty and also highly fibrous. Now, adding this chia seeds into your curd and then adding some good amount of mustard seeds and then a little bit of black salt, make sure that your healthy gut bacteria is boosted. Make sure that you get some good amount of prebiotics and is a perfect addition to your lunch. So yes, this yogurt should be added, and if you're lactose intolerant, you can definitely go with vegan yogurt, or you can have chia seeds in other ways that I am suggesting in this video. One of the most amazing way to add chia seeds in your diet, to add it to your dessert. Again, this one was one of my favorite. Complete blend of nutrition and also is really very tasty. So I use some soaked chia seeds, then add some flavored yogurt. Now you can definitely get epigamia. I use epigamia. I know it has some added sugar, but definitely it's one of a more healthier option. But you can definitely use a regular yogurt and add a sweetener to it, or you can always add honey or jaggery to it. I usually go with epigamia because there is no much of a calorie difference there. Then I have added lots of fruits like bananas, pomegranate, because they are really readily available, but you can always add some berries if they are easily available at your place as well. Now, this chia pudding is one of its kind and is definitely should be added in your diet. Now, all of these recipes are made with soaked chia seeds because they are easily digestible, and you can definitely have more recipes, but these are one of my favorite recipes with respect to chia seeds and how it can be added into your diet. So yes, that's it about this video. 4 amazing ways to add chia seeds in your diet. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay happy.